You may be interested to know that your vehicle may be equipped with a wireless charging pad that gives you the power to charge your smartphone without the need for a cord. Let me explain. It's located inside the center console of your vehicle and allows you to charge a wide range of compatible devices, such as smartphones of various sizes with built-in wireless charging capability. It can also help maintain a full charge while streaming audio or making calls through your available Sync 3 system. Simply set the phone, charging side down, on top of the pad, and it automatically senses and begins charging the device. You'll get a message in your information screen indicating that charging has begun. Keep in mind, the rate of charging is determined by the device. Also, while iPhone 8 and later models are compatible with the charging pad, earlier versions require the use of a manufacturer-approved charging sleeve. One more thing you'll appreciate. You can charge your device even if the vehicle is not turned on, just as long as it's in accessory mode. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.